Hey there, welcome back to BeTech. Today I am going to talk about how to transform your long videos into shorts using the amazing Auto-Reframe feature. This tool is a game changer for creating engaging YouTube shorts and social media content. So let's jump right in and learn how to crop videos to shorts using Auto-Reframe. Auto-Reframe in Filmora 13 is designed to automatically adjust your video's aspect ratio to fit different formats like YouTube Shorts, TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, and more. It ensures that the most important parts of your video are always in the frame, saving you time and efforts. So the download link of Wondershare Filmora is available in the video description. After installation, launch this. Here you can see the feature Auto-Reframe, or you can click on New Project and import the video you want to crop into Filmora 13. Simply click on the Import button and select the video file. Then right click on it and select Auto-Reframe. This will open up the Auto-Reframe panel. Select the aspect ratio for YouTube Shorts, which is 9:16. Filmora will automatically adjust the video to fit this format. Click Analyze to let Filmora scan your video and identify the key elements. This process ensures that the main subject stays in the frame throughout the video. After the analysis, preview the auto-reframed video. If needed, you can manually adjust the framing by dragging the focus area to make sure everything looks perfect. Once you are happy with the adjustment, click on the Export button and save your new YouTube short. Now let's repeat the same process with another video. Click on the Auto-Reframe and select the desired aspect ratio. Filmora will automatically adjust the video to fit the format. Then click on Analyze, wait for a few seconds. After the analysis, you can preview the auto-reframed video. So we have successfully cropped a video to a YouTube short using the auto-reframe tool in Wondershare Filmora 13. It's that simple. Now let's talk about some other cool new AI features in Wondershare Filmora 13. The AI music generator in Filmora 13 revolutionizes how you add music to your videos. This tool automatically creates custom soundtracks that match the mood and tempo of your footage. When you open the AI Music Generator tab in Filmora 13, you will be prompted to select the mood and style of music you want. For example, like happy, sad, epic, funny, elegant, peaceful. Then choose the theme like vlogs, travel, romance, gaming, horror, sports, ads, cinematic, etc. Then choose genre. You can choose between pop, beats, funk, rock, hip hop, etc. Then click on the settings button and you can choose the tempo like low, normal or high, and choose the music duration and music count. Once you have made your selection, click on Generate. You can preview different options and choose the one that best fits your needs. And the best part, the AI music generator allows for seamless integration with your video editing process. Simply drag and drop the custom soundtrack into your timeline and you are ready to go. It's a tool that uses artificial intelligence to create stunning images from scratch. Imagine having an endless supply of unique visuals right at your fingerprints. With just a few clicks, you can generate images that fit perfectly with your video's theme, style, or mood. Simply enter the prompt and choose the image style and select the aspect ratio and click on Generate. As you can see, the results are incredible. The AI image generator creates high quality unique images that are ready to use in your projects. You can use them as backgrounds, overlays, or even as elements in your motion graphics. And now let's talk about AI copywriting. In Filmora 13, it is an advanced tool that uses artificial intelligence to help you generate engaging text for your videos, whether it's a title, caption, description, or even script. This tool has got you covered. Simply input a few keywords or a brief description, and Filmora 13 AI will create professional script for your content. It saves you time, no more struggling to come up with the perfect title or description and script. It ensures your text is engaging and professional, helping to attract more viewers, and it's incredibly easy to use. So the download link of Wondershare Filmora 13 is available in the video description, so must check it out. And that's it for today's video. Give this video a like and comment on below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.